This is a handover video for the Adria Coral. This is a basic control panel. So you'll see we have a 12-volt switch. If we look above that, there's the symbol for a plug. If we're plugged into the mains, this would light up. You can see it's not lit at the moment, so we're not plugged into the mains. We'll turn the 12-volt power on. There you go. And then if we look to the dial on the left, we can see the condition of each battery. Cab battery, leisure battery. The symbol for the leisure battery has a little triangle at the top with a red light in it. If the leisure battery drops below a certain level, that'll alarm, a light up in red. Look down to the bottom, we've got two water tanks. Fresh water tank, the top one, wastewater tank, the bottom one. That gives the reading of each tank. And then moving along, these are tank heater. It's a tank heater, sorry. That's to heat the freshwater tank in the winter, stop it freezing. And then we'll go down one, we've got the tap, which is the pump switch. There you hear the pump just come on. And that's all there is to that control panel. The heating is on a separate switch, what I'll show you now. The heating and hot water are controlled by the Truma switch. Heating and hot water on this particular motorhome is only available by gas. So if you wanted to heat the cabin with electric, you'd have to put a blow heater inside. But it's a simple operation. So at the moment you can see it's turned off. And below the zero, the off sign, we've got 40 degrees and 60 degrees. So turning the control panel to either one of those, 40 degrees or 60 degrees, is heating hot water only. Come back down to off. Below the off symbol, we've got a flame. The flame is to heat the cabin only. So if you put it on the flame switch, all it's going to do is provide warmth within the cabin. If we go down one more, we've got a flame switch and 60 degrees. So that would heat the cabin and the water at 60 degrees. That's all there is to it. As simple as that. I'll turn it back off. The boiler drain valve is located under the bed. Now we can see it at the bottom. It's a frost protection switch, so if the temperature within the vehicle falls to something like, I think it's about 4 degrees, this red button will activate and throw the water out of the boiler. So when you first prime the system, this switch has to be pulled up, and then when you put water in for the first time, you put the pump on, it will fill the tank before water will come out of the hot tap. So never put the heating on, or hot water rather, when there's no water in the tank. To make sure there's water in the tank, put the pump on, put any tap on a hot setting, and when you've got a continuous flow of hot water, not hot water, obviously water, you will know that the tank is full. So never put the heating on, hot water heating that is, until you know for sure the tank is full of water.